What is a guide to risk-based testing? Introduction. Risk-based testing is an approach to testing that focuses on prioritizing testing efforts based on the potential risks associated with the software under test. The goal is to ensure that testing efforts are directed towards areas of the application that are most likely to contain defects or have the greatest impact if they fail. Here's a guide to risk-based testing. Risk identification. Define risks. Identify potential risks associated with the software project. Risks can be related to functionality, performance, security, and other aspects. Risk categories. Classify risks such as technical, business, operational, and external factors. Risk analysis. Assessment. Evaluate the likelihood and impact of each identified risk. This involves assigning a probability and severity to each risk. Prioritization. Prioritize risks based on a combination of their likelihood and potential impact. This helps in focusing testing efforts on the most critical areas. Test planning. Define test objectives. Clearly outline the testing objectives based on the prioritized risks. This ensures that testing efforts align with the project's goals and priorities. Test strategy. Develop a testing strategy that addresses the identified risks. This may involve defining specific test types, levels, and acceptance criteria. Test design. Test scenarios and cases. Develop test scenarios and cases that specifically target the high priority and high risk areas of the application. Test data. Create test data that reflects realistic and challenging scenarios with a focus on the identified risks. Test execution. Priority-based execution. Execute tests in order of priority, giving higher priority to tests targeting areas with higher risks. Exploratory testing. Incorporate exploratory testing to uncover unforeseen risks and issues. Defect management. Capture and prioritize defects. When defects are identified, prioritize them based on their impact and potential risk to the project. Feedback loop. Ensure effective communication between development and testing teams to address and mitigate identified risks promptly. Continuous monitoring. Risk monitoring. Continuously monitor and reassess risks throughout the project lifecycle. New risks may emerge and existing risks may evolve. Adjust test focus. Adjust testing efforts based on changes in the risk landscape. Documentation. Risk documentation. Document all identified risks, their assessments, and the testing strategies in a risk register. Test artifacts. Keep test documentation up to date to reflect changes in risk priorities and testing approaches. Review and retrospective. Review sessions. Conduct regular review sessions to assess the effectiveness of the risk-based testing approach. Retrospectives. Capture lessons learned and use them to improve the risk identification and assessment process for future projects. Collaboration. Cross-functional collaboration. Foster collaboration between development, testing, and business stakeholders to ensure a comprehensive understanding of project risks. Continuous feedback. Encourage continuous feedback and communication to promptly address emerging risks. By following these steps, a team can implement risk-based testing to optimize testing efforts and increase the likelihood of detecting critical defects early in the software development lifecycle. This approach is particularly valuable when resources and time are limited, as it allows for a targeted and efficient testing process. Show your support. If you like this video, please support my work by clicking the like button below and subscribing for more content. Engage and share your feedback. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments, and feel free to share this with your friends and office colleagues. Learn, grow, and collaborate together. Let's embark on this learning journey together. Grow our skills, collaborate, and share our knowledge. Grab a pencil or computer and happy writing. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.